In this video, let's talk about what kind of the Ford wheel spacers are best.
Ford Mustang wheel spacers have two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. Installing the Ford Mustang Hub-Centric wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS Ford wheel spacers have multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacers to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS Ford Mustang wheel spacers can also be wheel adapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. Ford Mustang Hub-Centric wheel spacers can eliminate the possibility of shaking, caused by a wheel position that is not central with the brake rotor. Professional wheel spacers manufacturer and auto parts reviewers prefer Hub-Centric wheel spacers over lug-centric wheel spacers. BONOSS Ford active cooling Ford wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the Ford wheel spacers. These notches act as air collector which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Besides, BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistant, excellent toughness, impact resistant, and high temperature resistant. This metal has good mechanical properties compared with industry standards. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Ford Mustang wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards.
If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. That's what and have a great day.